Consumers today are bombarded with millions of marketing messages every day. Outbound marketing like interruptive ads, direct mail, cold calling just doesn't work anymore. The reason? It's simple. Now there are all sorts of ways to block out messages you are trying to get through, and the people are more in control of what information they receive. So, yeah, the whole outbound marketing thing isn't doing the job anymore. Today, in order to attract potential customers, marketers have to provide them with something they enjoy. That's where inbound marketing comes in. It's an approach to marketing that attracts individuals to your product by creating quality content that they enjoy and converts them into lifelong customers. Using blogging, interactive tools, social media, SEO, and a bunch of other strategies. And we do inbound marketing at its best. We write engaging blogs with powerful keywords, make video podcasts, search engine optimize your content, promote it on social media, and create potent calls to action that drive visitors to your landing pages. By publishing the right content in the right place at the right time, your marketing becomes relevant and helpful to your customers. Also, we analyze the success of your marketing campaigns and determine which areas need further optimizations for future success. Inbound marketing is more effective and creates more leads. Even better, it costs 60% less than outbound marketing. The difference? You spend less, but get more results. If you'd like to put inbound marketing to work for you, we have an expert team of inbound marketers with real-world marketing experience to help you increase leads, customers, and revenue. We make sure that you're not only growing your website's traffic, but also getting the right kind of traffic. Get in touch with us to find out exactly what we can do for you.